Never stop trying. Never stop believing. Never give up. Your day will come very soon when you will be able to speak English fluently with confidence. But if you want to see this moment from yourself right now, you will have to believe in yourself. You can do that. You can speak English. At this moment, you will have to keep consistency. You shouldn't stop trying. You shouldn't give up if you want to become a fluent English speaker. Until you become a fluent English speaker, never give up. Until you make it habit. When you will make it habit to speak English every day, you may make a mistake. That won't be so harmful for you when you make it habit. Like me, at this moment I'm used to speak English fluently. If I don't make this type of videos for a few days, I believe it never will be harmful for me because I'm used to thinking in English.